Hello friends and viewers, welcome back to my channel once again, Learn Easy Maths channel. Today I have appeared before you to discuss about the new topic related to the mathematics, and today's our new topic is the theorems based on similar triangles. Theorems. It is the theorems taken from the syllabus of 10th standard, and this is the second theorem. This theorem is based on similar triangles. The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of their corresponding squares. The side is equal to the ratio of the squares of the corresponding sides. Let us first we understand the theorem in phase wise. First, what the statement says, number one. The next, what is given. The next, what is to be proved. The next, what should we require for the proof. First, let us we understand what the statement says about all. Do you see that these two theorems, do you see that these two triangles, they are similar? Let us little bit recall and we recollect the definition or the meaning of the similar triangles. The two triangles are said to be similar. This triangle ABC and triangle PQ are already it is given. They are similar means their corresponding angles. A corresponds to P, B corresponds to Q, similarly C corresponds to R. These corresponding angles must be equal, one condition. Then their corresponding sides AB and PQ, the ratio of their corresponding sides AB by PQ should be equal to BC by QR, must be equal to AC by TR. If these two conditions satisfies, then we say that the given triangle is a similar. Here we need not to go for the satisfaction or the proof of the condition. Already itself is given that it is a similar. Okay. What we need to prove that? We need to prove that the ratio of the areas, that means the area of triangle ABC, alright, and the ratio area of the triangle PQR. Area of the triangle ABC by area of the triangle PQR, it is the ratio is equal to the ratio of the corresponding squares of their corresponding side. What are the ratio? AB by PQ, corresponding ratio sides and its square, it is equal to, then another corresponding is BC square by QR square, then another is AC square by PR square, it is equal to the square of their corresponding sides. How they are equal? Ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. This is only the thing we have to prove that. I divide the proof in the two parts. What the part one? I take given triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Yes or no? If they are similar, according to definition, A corresponds to P, angle A is equal to P, angle B is equal to Q, and angle C is equal to R. They are equal. Also, the corresponding sides ratio AB by PQ and BC by QR and AC by what? PR. Their corresponding ratio, they will be in a equal ratios. Alright, they are equal ratios. Alright. Now we have to first take the area of the triangle ABC and area of the triangle PQR in this side. Are you able to see? I am writing on the board. Area of triangle ABC is equal to what the formula? Half into base into height. Now I would like to draw your attention towards this two line which I have perpendicularly drawn on this base BC and QR respectively. AM perpendicular on BC, it is the height of this triangle ABC, and PN perpendicular on QR, it is also the height of the triangle PQR. Now half into base into height. Take what is half, it is a formula term, and base is a BC and its height is AM. Okay, this is the area of the triangle ABC, half into base into height. Similarly, area of triangle PQR, which is equal to half into base into height. Half, what is the base here? It is a QR into, and what is the height here? It is a PN, right? It is a PN, right? Now we have to take the ratio of the areas of these two triangles. Triangle ABC area, triangle PQR area, which is equal to, divide this part, half into BC into AM, half into QR into PN. What is the common thing get cancelled? Here half of, which is equal to triangle, ratio of the area of triangle ABC, area of the triangle PQR is equal to BC by QR into AM by PN. This is the main part of our proof. This is the main part of our proof. Remember that. You come to know in my next part of the theorem. I move on to this side of the board, and we need to prove that triangle ABM, partly I take from the whole ABM I take, and triangle PN or PQN, triangle PQN. I have taken ABM, this part, PQN. First try to analyze what are the common things you find in this triangle. Do you see that AM is perpendicular to the BC, it forms a right angle. PN is perpendicular to the QR, it forms a right angle. Therefore, I write as AMB. AMB is equal to PNQ. PNQ. Both of them are 90 degree. Alright. This ABM and PQN is a part of the similar triangle. As we know that ABM means they are the corresponding angles, and a PQN is, and it is a corresponding angle, they are equal because it is given in the statement itself. This is a corresponding angle of the triangle and this is the corresponding angle of the triangle. ABM is equal to PQN. According to the angle criteria which we discussed in our previous discussion, if in two triangles, if the two angles of one triangle is equal to the two angles of another, then the third angle must be equal to the another triangle. Therefore, this is called angle criteria, and we say that the two triangles are similar. Then we can say that according to AA criteria, the triangle ABM similar to triangle PQN. Triangle ABM similar to triangle PQN. If they are similar, what is the delay? You write their corresponding sides and the ratio. AB by PQ ratio is equal to BM by QM ratio is equal to AM by PM. Yes. If both the triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in equal ratios. AB by PQ, BM by QM, and AM by PM. Call it an equation. This is a reference 1. Similarly, here also I have given a reference that if both the triangle ABC and triangle PQ are similar, these ratios are also equal. Now you just take the areas. Triangle area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to BC by QR into AM by PM. Just we have taken and we proved here, no, this ratio of this area of triangles is equal to BC by QR, AM by PM. Now you have to make the substitution what is given. Here, what do you find? AB by BC, AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. So in place of BC by QR, I will substitute AB by PQ. Remember that. Here, which is equal to AB divided by PQ. From this statement, from this reference, I take AB by PQ as BC by QR. In place of BC by QR, I substitute and write AB by PQ into, here you can see that in this equal ratios, AB by PQ is same as AM by PN. So in place of AM by PN, I write AB by PQ once again. Alright. If I write this AB by PQ into AB by PQ, what do I get? AB square by PQ square, which is equal to the area of the triangle ABC by area of the triangle PQR. The ratio is equal to this, is equal to the square of their corresponding sides. It is equal to the ratio of the square of the corresponding sides. This is a simple way that I tried you to reach and make you understand so easy and so in a very common understanding way. With this hope, I am going to take a leave from you, stating again, reminding again, requesting you this much only. What is that? Please do subscribe my channel and you try to share it, and also you just spread and circulate among your friends, your relatives, everybody else, those who are affiliated to the learning and understanding and knowledge gaining and seeking these things. Those who are involved and indulging this one, you please make them to reach this video to them and they can understand well also. With this hope, I am going to take a just leave from you. I am going to just once again disappear from the video, saying with this that take care and you just make mathematics not a big phobia. Don't make mathematics is something a burden. Mathematics is an integral part of our life. I always say in my lecture, I always say in my teaching, in my interaction and in my discussion that mathematics starts from what? Birth to death. Yes or no? Mathematics is related always in every part, in every walk and in every shade of our life. If we take birth, if we born in this world, we come, our every relatives, every people rejoice and celebrate our birth. And if somebody go to just purchase a new dress for the baby, we refer their size, referring the size, 0 size, 1 year size, 2 year size. It's a part of a mathematics. Yes or no? We eat the items, we count how many items, how many idlis, how many dosas we ate or we consume it. That's also part of a mathematics, isn't it? And we celebrate very in a magnificent way the birthday. That also it is a reference of mathematics, how old we are, 10 years, 20 years, 40 years, 50 years, etc. So at the last moment when we go from this world, then they for the just making the grave also, they take that size, they take the measurement, and then the last ritual will be taken after in the burial. That is also a mathematics. That's why it is well said that mathematics is related right from the birth to death, or from the mother lap to the graveyard. So with this one, don't make mathematics a big phobia. It is a very simple and common thing. Mathematics is not any subject language, but it is related to every subject. With this one, I will take a leave from you. Take care and be happy, and just wait for my next video. Thank you.